Rectangle-shaped softboxes and strip boxes are made to be rotated, and then they can be locked into place. However, the little knob used to lock the position is on the inside of this Godox softbox, and it's very hard to reach. It's actually on the other side, of course. You have to reach your hand inside the box and feel for the knob. Hopefully you don't touch the flash tube or burn your finger on the modeling light. Hey there, I'm Tom Cheswick, and I'm a portrait photographer and mostly photograph business professionals, high school seniors, and dancers. But enough about me, let's talk about an easy fix so the knob is on the outside and is easy to reach, and it makes it easy to lock your softbox into position. All we have to do is reverse the speed ring. All we need is a Phillips screwdriver and a Sharpie if we want to mark the holes that the rods go into. It'll make it so much easier putting everything back into place. Let's do this. This is Abby. She's going to be my assistant today. Works for Milk Bones. All right, everybody. Let's do this. Okay, girl. So what we need to do is to take this little knob in here, swap the speed ring, and then we'll have it on the outside. And that makes it super easy to rotate and then lock into position your softbox. So first thing I'm going to do is to take a Sharpie and just mark where these go. It's going to make it a lot easier to put everything back together. On these strip boxes, they go on the number 1, and you can't even see the numbers on the way that this is mounted now. Okay, so that's going to make it easy to put it back together. That's all that's for. The main tool we really need is the Phillips screwdriver. So let's go ahead, take this apart. So you do have to be a little physical with these. All right, perfect. That was the hardest part. Now you're going to notice that there are some screws and the knob. So I'm going to take that part off for now. And with the screws, we can loosen them. So now what we want to do is just rotate this around. Once we do that, we just tighten the 3 screws again. All right, so the ring will still rotate, and that's because we don't have our last tightening bolt on. We're going to put that in here. Now the knob is going to be on the outside. And then when we lock it, we'll hold it in place. Perfect. So with this Godox strip box, it's the 12" by 47", and the rods go in the number 1s. So let's do that. Awesome. And that's it. Now the knob is on the outside, so we can loosen it. We can spin our box. And then we can tighten it when it's in position. Thanks for watching this video. To help me continue producing videos, please like and subscribe. Also, be sure to leave a comment about the photography topics you would like covered in future videos. Looking for a great photography editing program? Be sure to use the link for a 14-day free trial of On1 Photo RAW 2023 and use my discount code listed below to save 20% off of anything in the On1 store. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.